Thank you so much for joining. It's really a joy for me to hold space in such a powerful day because you guys know what is today, right? It's an equinox, new moon, eclipse. It's just a perfect day to release, let go, make space for what we really need, let go of all patterns, all that is not serving our highest good. And it's a cosmic reset. So basically, the universe is pouring for us all that we need, the energy that we need for that reset. But first of all, I want to thank Auratherapy for opening their home, this beautiful high frequency place. So, this beautiful energy here, we need to use it tonight. The goal of tonight is really to clear the way the way for us to be able to connect to our higher self in the cleanest way possible. So the same way we clean our home, our body, we can do a kind of spiritual hygiene. And then, as we were saying before, everything is connected, the physical body, the mental body, the spiritual body, we are one. The story is that our soul basically picked our personality, our ego, and is having a human experience in order for the soul to live its purpose and also, of course, to learn the lessons and evolve, live in expansion, right? So our objective here is to clear the way as much as possible, to stay connected with our soul. So we are talking here about emotions, toxic emotions, heavy thoughts, attitudes. What I designed for you actually is a journey. Just let me tell you a little bit of background because I think about myself. I think it's nice to know who's holding space for you, right? So I'm a quantum healing hypnotherapist, breathwork and meditation guide, and vibrational medicine master. So these are just titles. Human beings love titles, but it is important for me. It's a way for me to convey, to tell you who I am. And what happened actually is that when I was 26, 27 years old, and this helps you understand how much I'm passionate about what I'm telling you, what we're doing tonight. I got diagnosed with chronic anxiety, depression, and fatigue. So I was blooming, let's say, as a young woman, but internally I was dead completely. One thing that I always had very, very strong was my intuition, the connection with my higher self that I still didn't know very well. And so she told me, go for other ways. You will find a way, but go for other ways. And so I started my yoga, breath work. Breath work changed my life forever. Meditation, energy work. The very first thing is awareness, because this is the point. We need to keep our energy flowing in every cell of our body. We need to keep our frequency high, right? What is bothering you, what is triggering you, what is causing toxic emotions or thoughts. Presence is the most important thing. Presence means be here, now, nowhere else with our mind. Because this is the only moment we are living, and because when we are in the past, we are really consuming our energy and it's totally useless. And when we are in the future with worries and fears, we are also consuming our energy. It's important to stay present, have moments of stillness. So meditation can be tough for some people, but it can be any kind of meditation. It can be walking, it can be hugging trees, it can be listening to your favorite music, anything, but stay present as much as you can. Silence your mind as much as you can. Self-care, taking care of yourself. Like, this is why I like this place, because there are so many tools for creating a few minutes even of a sacred space, which is your space, right? Anything that you love and you like that is for your body, for your system, understanding that you are taking care of yourself. We live thanks to that high frequency. We are alive thanks to that high frequency, which is love. And it's important to have that moment of presence to let this beautiful intelligence flow through us in order for us to expand. It is important not to live in contraction, as we were saying before, with the heavy thoughts and heavy emotions. So the scale of the frequencies, actually. So the lowest one emotion is shame. When we feel ashamed, so grief, for example, or fear, or these kind of emotions we are humans, and it's totally good to leave them, but when we keep them in our body for too long, we can get sick. Those emotions stay attached to our organs, and energy doesn't flow in those organs anymore, and we get sick. And the body illness is really, for me and for everybody, is a way for our soul to communicate with us, right? So we want to keep ourselves always vibrant and energetic. Do you shake your body? It's similar to dancing. We are going to do some shaking tonight because it's very, very effective. So if you can do a few minutes of shaking, for example, you met someone, told you something that you don't like, some pain or anything, shake it away. Tell your body you want to release it. Tell every cell of your body you want to release it, let it go, and you will see, we will feel it now, how the energy start flowing again properly to your body with a simple saying. I'm passionate about self-healing. We have all the tools. Protect your energy also. Do you know any tools to protect your energy, for example? Imagine it, because we create with our mind, and our mind is not only our brain. So every morning I create mentally a shield around myself, a shield. You can imagine anything. I love sacred geometry, so a triangle of beautiful, a pyramid of white light around me, especially when I go outside and I need to meet some people, or especially if you see someone is coming your way and you don't feel like good. It's not about really protection, but it's really creating your sacred space. This is my space. Are you familiar with breathwork? Okay. So at a certain point, it can become a little bit intense. If you feel like it is too intense, no worries. You have your water, lie down. It's totally fine. Okay. So we'll be shaking a little bit. We will be breathing, and then we'll be toning. I'll guide you. There are these beautiful mantras. It's called bija mantra. It's for every chakra, actually. It helps really restore the balance. So let's change the music here. I will ask you to stand up. I really want you to shake and feel really free, really free. Imagine, the idea is really to tell your body that you are ready to release, ready to release. And you can start visualizing your body from your crown, from your head. Okay. How do you feel? Take a second here to notice, to acknowledge. You feel your hands vibrating? Good. When you're ready, you can sit down, change your rhythm. Okay. This is what shamans do before they meditate. You can bring your hands here to your heart center. You lift them and bring them on your crown, at the level of your crown. Here is where our divine essence is. And then you take the beautiful energy and you pull it down on your sides. And now you're soaking into your own beautiful energy. Take a moment here to be fully present, here and now. This is a date with yourself. This is a date with your true self. And when you're ready, bring your hands on your heart. Breathe into your heart. Inhale, exhale. Feel your heart. It is beating for you without asking anything in return. Feel it expanding. Feel how much love is there for you. Give thanks to your heart. Be fully present here and now. No yesterday, no tomorrow. The present moment is the most important one. When you're ready, gently rest your hands. Rest. Bring your attention to your third eye, space between your eyebrow. Breathe normally. Breathe a deep inhale now and hold it. As you hold, contract the pelvic floor. Bring your attention to the energy and bring it up toward the spine. Up, up, up to your crown. And when you can, when you're ready, release it. Let go. Breathe normally. Stay still. Enjoy the stillness. Feel every cell of your body vibrating differently, aligning, clear, purified. Feel the energy flowing. Awaken. Inhale into your heart. Feel it expanding. See an emerald, beautiful green light expanding there. Exhale. Let go of any sense of separation. Inhale. Take a deep breath in. Let it out slowly. Sense your chakras, your energy centers alive, vibrating. Align your prana, your life energies flowing freely, creating a luminous energy field around you. It's clear, it's powerful, strong. You are soaking into your own beautiful, colorful energy. This is your sacred space. You need to nourish it, take care of it. This is your power. When you're ready, you can lie down, take a comfortable position. We're going to do a quantum leap, abandoning our body, our personality, our ego, traveling to divine space, and imagine threads of golden light growing downward like roots, reaching deep into the earth. These golden threads are traveling through layers of soil, rocks, beautiful, colorful crystals until they touch the glowing heart of Mother Earth. Here, a spiral of radiant light awakens. With every inhale, the spiral rises, flowing upward through your roots, entering your body. Allow the spiral of golden light to travel upward, illuminating every center of your being. The golden light is now in your belly. Feel this noble energy filling and surrounding you. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Let this light integrate within you. Affirm silently to yourself, I release all fear that keeps me from trusting my path. I ask to be supported in the elevation of my consciousness, so I may live in the knowledge of unity and trust that my life is unfolding exactly as it should, and so it is. Now visualize a marble staircase with large steps, so that you need to stop at every step before climbing the following one. You are now walking up the steps 12. Here, as before a temple of shining emerald light. Step inside. The temple glows with crystalline radiance. You are embraced by the frequency of healing, wisdom, and love. This is a sanctuary of truth, a library for the soul. Through the lotus above your head, the starlit sky, the crystalline river of truth, the blooming emerald garden of love, the golden sun of empowerment, the flowing waters of creation, the strength of the ancient mountain. This is your essence. This is what you're made of. Now you're returning fully into your body, aware of the earth beneath your feet. Inhale deeply, anchoring the wisdom you have received into every cell of your being. As you gently return, know that the guidance you received is alive within you. The temple is within you. The answers are within you. You are the light. You are the love. You are the wisdom you seek. Take a final deep breath in. Exhale. And when you're ready, you can start moving your feet, your fingers, your hands, your arms, stretching,